Hey everybody, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff.
And it's SJ here too.
From Pint of Stuff.
We don't often do this.
We don't. And because we both got... like what's better? Yellow or green?
Focus.
There we go. What's better, yellow or green? We both got the shoe. So we did a cinematic Onfoot together, didn't we, SJ?
We did. It's the first time we've done one of those since 2017,
Yep,
maybe? The FTC?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we've done that. So we'll tell you what we think of the shoes afterwards. You've already seen the unboxing. If you haven't seen the unboxing, I'll put a link somewhere up there, somewhere, and there'll be a link in the description. Otherwise,
go and watch the Onfoot.
It's somewhere over there. Whew.
Hope you enjoyed that Onfoot. It was a lot of fun doing that.
It was. We haven't done that for ages.
No, because you're not very good at balancing or timing.
No, as you can tell from the video. But yeah, I think that gave you kind of clearly in our style, in the Pint of Stuff style. So hopefully that kind of gave you a little bit of a different view of the shoe, of the Grateful Dead Dunks. We have got, as we said before, we've got the yellow and green, haven't we, SJ?
We have, and I know a lot of people are like, they're not really a wearable dunk, but I can tell you now, they look flipping amazing on foot. Like, I just wore these. I'm just going to bring it in again. Yeah, just because. Now, I wore these with like crazy baggy denim.
You did.
And like a navy blue t-shirt. And they just work. They really do. And I don't know what it is. Now, I know this is only my second pair of SB Dunks.
I know, you're a funny girl. You've got so many blazers, not enough Dunks. I don't know what that's all about.
Blazing squad, innit? Anyway, I kind of found these extra comfy, and I don't know why. You said they felt no different to you, but they really did feel, and I know you jokingly said this, like slippers. He was like, you look like you've got your slippers on.
Yeah, you did look like you had your slippers on.
But the materials are really nice. Like, I do love them. And did you notice in that Onfoot?
Yeah.
My socks.
I did notice your socks, but did you notice the socks?
Because if you didn't, rewind, go back and watch, because those socks are epic. They're actually Grateful Dead socks. A few of you asked me about them on Instagram. They're stance socks, and I actually picked them up at least a year ago now. From the Stance outlet in Livermore, so they're old ones. So if you want, I know people are asking me about them, so it's unlikely that you'll be able to get a pair unless you go to an outlet, a Stance outlet. Yeah,
they're absolutely banging. Now I'm going to do something, SJ.
Go on.
I'm going to go to the other camera. So here we go. Because what I wanted to do was I wanted everybody to take a look at the yellow. Now have a look at that. Now it is very, very bright there, but it's kind of like, it is a ridiculously crazy yellow. But then I wanted to take the green, and I wanted people in the comments, what do they prefer? The yellow, now I know it's popping there, And these are actually really hard to film.
Yeah, because the colours are just so vibrant.
Or the green, because if we take that in, it's going to focus. Come on, you little camera. Focus now. There we go. So you can see that. It's what the camera's not showing. So this is a really vibrant yellow and it's really popping. The green doesn't pop on camera. For some reason, it doesn't pick up the light. But what do people prefer? Do you guys prefer the green, which is obviously a little bit rarer than the yellow? What do you think is best?
I think it's really, really hard. I mean, obviously we haven't seen the orange in hand.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the orange are absolutely lovely.
Yep.
Now, for me, I do prefer the green just because I couldn't wear the yellow without going, "Hi, big bird," like I've been doing every time I see them, because I just can't help it.
Such a Mickey taker.
But I do think the yellow is the most wearable out of these two. I don't like this green. You said it doesn't show how vibrant the green is on camera. I'm going to walk down the street and people are literally going to be staring at me in those. Whereas I don't think they will so much in the yellow. I know that sounds really weird, but I kind of feel that the yellow are more wearable, even though both pairs to me are wearable, obviously.
What? And yet every time I go near these, you keep going, "Hi, big bird."
Yeah, but people on the street aren't going to go, "Hi, big bird."
They might do. So, SJ, I know you always right. So if people don't follow us, or you're not subscribed before, every Sunday we do this stream on YouTube called Sneaker Streaming Sundays, and part of that we kind of do this thing called Fire Boom. It's part of when we look at shoes in the news, and we look at Instagram and stuff, and we kind of give it a bit of a fire boom. Now SJ doesn't get to press the button very often,
and I really do think these do deserve.
But let's go in close, and then SJ, you get to do what you want.
They deserve it. They really do deserve it. I know these aren't everybody's cup of tea, but I do prefer these quality-wise over the Chunky Dunkies.
Yep.
And again, in terms of representation of the band in a sneaker form, the group in a sneaker form, I think it's amazing. So we did can we give the yellow a bit of a fire boom? Let me bring those in close. Come on, SJ, press the button. You always want to. Oh, so strong. I think the one weird thing about them is and I'm going to bring these in close, and I talked about a little bit about this in the unboxing, but it's irritated me more and more now. Right, everyone, take a look at the lacing. The way they've laced the yellow is so odd. It's like they got the intern in. Now you have a look at that. There's right. There we go. Let's take it right in. Boom. So have a look at that lacing, and that's proper lacing, and then have another look at the yellow, and SJ's having to get out of the focus of the camera because we don't normally do this two people at a time. They definitely got the interns in, or I don't know, the work experience person, or the first job. I get it. Everyone's got to start somewhere, and obviously maybe lacing or using the factory lacing machine or whatever is your first job when you get to when you first go into work. Maybe the person programs the factory lacing machine wrong, but they do look weird. You do need to relace those, and I think. Are you going to do a lace swap and put the blue in?
I am. So the thumbnail of this video hopefully will have, you'll see the green and the yellow. We'll have them on foot for the thumbnail. So actually, you've already seen the thumbnail.
Yeah, I was going to say, why are you explaining a thumbnail?
You've already seen the thumbnail. Where in the thumbnail of the video, we swapped the yellow and the blue into the yellow. And we're actually, the pictures on Instagram, if you don't follow us on Instagram, it's Pint of Stuff. The pictures that we've taken for there will have the blue laces in, just so you can see the alternate laces, because I do think, particularly with this yellow, I do think the blue lace will just pop so much more. So that's what we're going to do. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed and stuff, don't forget to do that. It's somewhere down there. Do hit the notification bell. I know roughly about 12% of you have done that. And the people that come through, that's YouTube Analytics. Thank you, YouTube. The people that come through, a lot of them have come through from the notification bell. So don't forget to go and do that. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let us know in the comments if you managed to get these. What would you, I suppose, what would be your most favorite music collab of a shoe?
Oof.
That's a bit of a tough one, isn't it?
Oh, that is a tough one.
I don't know. Like, you know what I'd quite like, and this dates me. I'd quite like a Primal Scream dunk, just because I think it'd be crazy.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, and there are plenty of videos coming up over here, so go and watch them, because there should be more dunk stuff, more blazer stuff. Are you still here?
Go
and
watch
another video. No, genuinely do it.